Hello everyone! In this video, we will explore the CS Cart Advanced Customer Order List add-on. It offers a sleek, Amazon-style tab view for orders, open orders, and canceled orders, plus options to reorder, leave reviews, and even give delivery feedback, all from one mobile-friendly page. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. When customers log into their accounts and navigate to the order list page, they will now see a clean and attractive tab layout with three main tabs: Orders, Open Orders, and Canceled Orders. The Orders tab shows all customer orders. The Open Orders tab lists only active or processing orders, and the Canceled Orders tab displays orders that were canceled. This tabbed layout helps customers quickly find the orders they want to check without scrolling through a long list. Beyond just viewing orders, the add-on offers some great interactive features directly on the order list page. The first feature is the Buy It Again button, which lets customers reorder products quickly without having to search for them again. The customer simply clicks this button, proceeds to checkout, and can instantly repurchase the product. If your store uses the default Comments and Reviews add-on, customers can also click Write a Review directly from their order list. If the Return and Replace Items add-on is installed, a Return or Replace Items button will be available. Additionally, if you have the Delivered Feedback add-on configured, a Leave Delivery Feedback button will appear for each order. All these buttons help customers engage more with their orders and with your store, improving the overall shopping experience. To install the add-on, go to the Admin panel, navigate to the Add-ons section, and then go to Developer under that section. Look for Webkul Software Private Limited. Here, you will see the Advanced Customer Order List add-on. Simply click on it to configure the settings. When you open the settings, you'll find a straightforward option called Show Buy It Again button. By checking this box, you enable a convenient button on the customer order list page that allows customers to reorder products quickly. After selecting the checkbox, simply click Save. That's all it takes to activate this feature. Thank you. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.